Hi students, so hope everyone has attended the grand planning session scheduled for last Sunday taken by Puneet sir, where he has guided basically how to approach the upcoming September-November 2025 attempt. So as you know that we are approaching towards September-November 2025 IFOA and II diet, and it's very important to plan our exams well in time and effectively. So that grand planning session taken by sir guided about this only, that where he has guided which all subjects combination you can take depending on your college commitments, depending on your office commitments, depending on your personal situation. He has guided multiple combos that can be taken for this diet. So it's very important to watch that session. The link of YouTube link of that session is already there in the description box, and the video is live on YouTube. So in case you missed it live, just make sure that you have watched that video, because that will really help you to plan your exams effectively. And it is very important that we are starting at the right time, because if you are waiting till results, that will definitely not make sense. If you have not given any exam before and now you're planning to appear for September-November 2025, it's very important to watch the video and plan your exams according to the number of hours that you can give towards your studies. So he has guided everything in that video based on number of hours, which all subjects you can take. And if you have already appeared for 1 or 2 exams and now are confused with respect to your further diet planning, he has guided different combinations that can be picked. So it's important to watch that video, and post watching that video, it's very important to start with our sessions. Like some of you have already started with the lectures before, like there are some students who have already started 2 to 3 months back and are progressing with videos. Team is doing their video tracking. They have already covered 50% of the course, just to make sure that as and when the live sessions start, they are ahead of their batchmates. So this was also a very good approach. In any case, if you have not yet started with the next subject for your upcoming September-November 2025 attempt, waiting till results is definitely not recommended. You need to start straight away, depending on the subjects that you will decide after watching your planning session. Still, even after watching that planning session, in case you have any doubts, our detailed counselors are available for all your help. You can just ping us, and the counselor will guide you with your respective subject as well. We at Academic Junction are starting with a live session for all our batches from this particular weekend, that is 26th April. So you need to start upfront, you need to start ASAP, so that you can participate in the live sessions. And apart from that, you will get access to all our lectures as well, which has everything, content, past papers, everything is there. So just make sure to start it ASAP. Still, in case of any confusion, do contact us on the number mentioned. Thank you. Happy learning.